Bea B. Pontawe from Bachelor of Elementary Education 1, Block 1. I will discuss the importance of ecosystem. And we have picture of ecosystem. This is the picture. So, what is importance of ecosystem? Importance of ecosystem, it provides habitat to wild plants and animals. It promotes various food chains and food webs. It controls essential ecological processes and promotes life. Involve the recycling of nutrients between biotic and abiotic components. An ecosystem includes all the living organisms in an area and all the non-living things that affect it. And we have another picture of ecosystem. And this is the picture. So, we have example of ecosystem. Example of ecosystem is forest ecosystem. Includes grass, soil, wind, sunlight, and animals. And we have ocean ecosystem. Include fish, coral, rocks, and the bottom temperature of water. And we have types of ecosystem. We have terrestrial, lentic, lotic, and artificial. And terrestrial ecosystem are land systems such as forests, deserts, grassland, tundras, and coastal regions. And lentic is a class of aquatic ecosystem that are found of land, such as ponds, rivers, lakes, swamps, and streams. In lotic ecosystems are similar to lentic in that they are part of the aquatic water class, and the life they support is similar to that found in lentic ecosystem. The lotic system are moving bodies of water that flows to other bodies of water and eventually to the ocean. This system can include spring, rivers, and streams, or any body of water that flows to marine like waters or the ocean. And although artificial ecosystem could be included with the terrestrial, lentic, and lotic, some feel it is important to environment to examine man-made system. And this is the picture of types of ecosystem. We have aquatic ecosystem and terrestrial ecosystem. In aquatic ecosystem, we have freshwater ecosystem and marine ecosystem. In freshwater ecosystem, we have lentic, lotic, and wetlands. And terrestrial ecosystem, we have forest ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, mountain ecosystem, and desert ecosystem. We have components of ecosystem. We have abiotic substances, producers and consumers, and decomposers. In abiotic substances, we have abiotic means that a substance is devoid of life. It is physical and not derived from living organism. With that being said, abiotic components include things such as carbon dioxide, sunlight, temperature, precipitation, water or moisture, soil, water, chemistry, and etc. This component can be divided into two different groups. We have organic and inorganic, so referred to as autotrophs, are organisms that produce complex organic compounds from simple substances present in an ecosystem. This is completed using abiotic components such as energy from sunlight. Examples of products in an ecosystem include bacteria, algae, or other green plants. Their ultimate responsibility is an ecosystem is to capture energy from non-organic sources and then store them for nurture use. Consumers which are also known as heterotrophs, are organisms that cannot fix carbon from non-organic sources, so instead they eat other living organisms. Several animals fall into this category, such as herbivores, organisms that consume plants, and carnivorous organisms that eat other animals. Consumers are an essential component of any ecosystem. And decomposers can also be known as reducers. This is because these heterotrophic organisms break down dead animals and waste matter. Prime example of decomposers include fungi, and certain bacteria species. They are critical to any ecosystem. In fact, an ecosystem could function very long without presence of reducers. Picture of components of ecosystem. This is the picture of component ecosystem. And we have benefits of ecosystem. Benefits of ecosystem underpin all human life and activities. The goods or services they provide are vital to sustaining well-being and to future economic and social development. The benefits ecosystem provide include food, water, timber, air, air purification, soil formation, and pollination. And the last, ecosystem is important for us because ecosystem clean our water, purify our air, maintain our soil, regulate the climate, recycle nutrients, and provide us with food. They provide raw materials and resources for medicines and other purposes. They are at the foundation of all civilization and sustain our economics.